Okay, I did the template and I'm using the 45-degree angle, and then the plastic bracket screws into the wooden door frame, and then the metal bracket that you see, the two brass screws with the blue foil that I'll be pulling away because it's a sticky padding behind it. I used the two wires that came with the kit and just wired it directly to the doorbell wires. As you can see, the two wing nuts they sent with it, and I'll be pushing the two blue wires back in behind the bracket itself. I won't be putting it back in the hole because there's space for it just to fit behind the bracket, and then I'll be mounting it onto the bracket here in a few seconds.